All right, finally, last but not least, so we're in the visualization stage. So do a little bit of a recap. The first video was about extraction, bringing the data into R, bringing this data into R, and so we're able to do that within the California County data frame. Okay, and then from there, what we decided to do is clean it up a tad bit. So we first turned population into a we changed the name because the original name was kind of messed up. It had the 2021 in it, or I already removed it, so that's fine. And then we cleaned it up. We removed the commas from the population, and then we decided to turn that into a numeric variable. And so what I can now do is create another R chunk. Okay, boom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot this. So I'm going to take mod1. I'm going to pipe this into ggplot. So ggplot is the functionality for you to create visualizations within R. At least one of the ways, the most straightforward way. AES. Okay, AES stands for aesthetics. And so what we're going to do is just focus primarily on, we only have one variable that we're analyzing for now. And we're going to say X. It's going to be on the X-axis. It's going to be population. Okay. We're going to add layers. So no more pipe. We're going to add layers. We're going to add geom. I'm going to do this in a bunch of different ways. I'm going to say boxplot because it's a quantitative variable, a numeric variable. And for me, I don't like the gray background. Like, I don't even want to show it to you, but I'll show it to you just because. I don't like this gray background. As you can see in the back, it's kind of gray. One county is really big. Los Angeles. So what I do with the gray background, I just make it theme BW. Oh, BW. And then that gray background is gone. Okay, so that's a box plot. Okay. We can make it pretty, we can take time and make it, nice, but that's not the point of this lesson. Alright, so it's for visualization. At least different ways of visualizing. Another way of visualizing is I'm gonna go ahead and do it again by me typing, not just copy and paste. Pipe this into ggplot. Okay, and then I'm gonna say AES. I'm gonna say X is equal to, because again it's a quantitative variable. There's a lot of ways of visualizing this. I'm gonna say population again. Then plus, and then what we're gonna do is geom histogram. Okay, then plus theme BW because I don't like the gray background. And there's our histogram. As you can see, it's skewed right. I wonder what county that is that has 1 million. Is that one? Yeah. 1 million, individuals. All right, that makes sense. And one more visualization that, you might not have traditionally seen, and this is one of my favorites, mod 1. It's called a violin plot. Violin, not violence, violin. ggplot, AES, okay, between parentheses, AES. I'm gonna say y is equal to this time. I'm doing the y-axis this time. Y is equal to population. Great, fantastic. Do a plus geom, and the violin plot is going to show you that that skewness, but it's going to show you where a lot of your data actually lies. Okay, violin, which is actually really, really cool. So then we're going to do theme BW. And again, we can change the x-axis, y-axis, add titles, may add colors, but so as you can see, there's an error. Okay, there's an error. I couldn't even speak. And so what this error is telling me is that caused by error in compute layer. Does it requires the following? It needs a y. It needs an x axis. I know it says y. I've been fiddling with it. I know what the answer is after fiddling with it. I pause this video. That's fine. And so I really need to x. So what we can do is say x is equal to 1, and this is going to work. And if it was time for me to present this, really, I would spend time making it look a little bit better. So let's go ahead and run this. Okay, and as you can see, most of our data is less than 250,000, right? Less than 125,000. That makes sense in California. And then we have, of course, Los Angeles. All right, so that is visualizations. Thanks for watching this series. I'll come up with more. Let's go.